Listen to me. If you are a roofing contractor, you are bleeding money right now, and you do not even know it. You're driving across town for tire kickers, and the good leads, they are bouncing off your website because they do not want to talk to a salesman yet. They just want a price. For 30 years, I ran my roofing business the hard way, chasing every lead, doing free estimates for people who could not even afford a patch job. The old way of saying call for a free estimate is dead. Homeowners today are terrified of high-pressure sales. If you force them to call you just to get an idea of the cost, they will click the back button and go to your competitor. Period. That is why this roofing lead page kit is a game changer. It gives them exactly what they want, a fast ballpark estimate. No email required. No phone number required. They plug in their square footage, pick their shingles, and boom, they get a realistic range. Now you have built trust. You're the honest guy who did not hide the ball. And when they are ready to buy, who do you think they are going to call? You. But here's the kicker. This is not just a toy for homeowners. There is a contractor mode built right in. Suddenly, this turns into a hardcore, detailed job estimator for you and your sales team. You plug in your exact material costs, labor rates, overhead, and profit margins. It calculates waste, contingency, sales tax, and even your required deposit. It prints to PDF. It saves you hours of sitting at the kitchen table punching numbers into a calculator. This entire lead generation page is pre-built. It isn't some expensive monthly software. It is a one-time kit. No coding required. You just drop it into your WordPress site and you are instantly miles ahead of every other roofer in your town. Stop losing jobs to ghosted quotes. Go to the link in the description right now. Try the live demo for yourself. Play with the calculator. Then buy the kit, install it today, and watch your phone start ringing with qualified buyers, not time wasters. Do it now.